Morten from Aarhus University, and today we are hosting the annual partner meeting in Rural BioReFarmeries EU project, where we are developing green biorefinery technology for future environmentally friendly and productive bioeconomy agriculture. We'll have a tour around the facilities, going from the fields, looking at our developments in the project around smart harvest and logistics tools, using sensor data in the field, couple it with green biorefinery results. And we will have a tour around the green biorefinery itself. We have a demonstration platform here at AU Viborg.
It's really nice to be here at the Aarhus University campus here in Viborg. We're learning a lot from each partner about what they're doing within the Rural BioReFarmeries project so far. We're also getting to see the green biorefinery demonstration platform of Aarhus University's, which is already in operation within the project. We're also getting to find out a lot more about what Aarhus University are doing in terms of advancing biomass logistics through integration of smart technologies, which is going to benefit the overall green biomass supply chain and reduce transportation costs.
I'm leading a research group on operations management, where we sort of optimize operations and processes in agriculture. And in the BioReFarmeries project, we're trying to optimize the supply chain and develop a smart supply chain tool where we sort of optimize the transport logistics, the timing of operations, etc., because it has been shown that the cost of operating the supply chain is a key obstacle to the business modeling of the biomass protein extraction.
Here we will be testing many different process configurations, producing both data, very important, but also producing press cake fiber for the other work packages that will look at biomaterial production. We will have, for example, the press cake fiber ready for the team in the Netherlands at Wageningen, where they have a demonstration facility for making biomaterials out of the grass fiber.
In the Rural BioReFarmeries project, we are the work package leader of work package 3, looking towards fibers into packaging and into algae production. And we mainly use materials which are coming from Denmark. I like their facilities a lot. They're really working almost on farm level. And we also did get some products for them, which we will take to the Netherlands to treat there in our facilities.
So it's important for the consortium and the Rural BioReFarmeries project to have a look at actual what is going on and how these technologies and the way of processing grass in the future can look at pilot scale, demonstration scale, actual fields of grass getting harvested and delivered to the demonstration plant, where we extract protein for leaf protein concentrate and press cake fiber for anaerobic digestion, or in this project where we're looking into biopackaging. And the residual liquid that will be used for VFA production in this project also comes out in larger amounts than it does in the lab. So this will be really good for our colleagues from around Europe to see how that looks like in a scaled facility.